Opening an Acer Nitro 5 laptop can be useful for upgrading or repairing its components. However, it can also void the warranty and damage the device if done incorrectly. Therefore, it is advisable to follow the instructions carefully and use the appropriate tools. Here are the general steps for opening an Acer Nitro 5 laptop. Turn off the laptop and disconnect it from the power source and any other devices or cables. Close the laptop and turn it upside down. Locate the battery compartment door on the bottom of the laptop. It is a long and narrow door that covers the battery and the memory slots. Remove the 11 Phillips head screws that secure the battery compartment door to the laptop. You may need a small screwdriver for this step. Use a plastic pry tool or an old credit card to gently release the plastic tabs that hold the battery compartment door in place. Start from one corner and work your way around the edges until the door is loose. Lift the battery compartment door and set it aside. You should see the battery and the memory slots underneath. To remove the battery, unscrew the single Phillips head screw that holds it in place and unplug the connector from the motherboard. Be careful not to damage the connector or the wires. To access the storage slots, you need to remove the entire bottom panel of the laptop. To do this, unscrew the remaining 10 Phillips head screws that secure the bottom panel to the laptop. They are located around the edges and near the hinges of the laptop. Use the plastic pry tool or the old credit card to gently release the plastic tabs that hold the bottom panel in place. Start from the front edge and work your way around the sides and the back until the panel is loose. Lift the bottom panel and set it aside. You should see the motherboard, the cooling system, and the storage slots underneath. You have successfully opened your Acer Nitro 5 laptop. You can now upgrade or replace the memory or the storage drives as needed. To reassemble the laptop, follow the steps in reverse order. Make sure to align the tabs and the screws correctly and tighten them securely. Do not force anything or apply too much pressure. If you encounter any difficulties or have any questions, you can refer to the official user manual or contact the Acer support team for assistance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and likes for laptop troubleshooting tips. See you in the next video.